playing the Q upside on futures because I like how strong um Apple and Nvidia are moving. If Nvidia can break 445 and use it as support, it's gonna go easy to 460. I'm only playing 4 micros here. Anybody on Nvidia or Netflix? Anybody swing Netflix or re-enter it? I'm sorry, Nvidia needs to break 445, like these little resistance here, and then it's gonna, like, if it can break this little resistance here, it's gonna explode to 460. Netflix looking great. I'm gonna take some profit here because I can see I sold two and holding two more. I'm holding two and sold two because I do I really like how the Q is looking, but I can see it has a little bit resistance here, and SPY the same. It's kind of having resistance here on this Friday. It was Friday resistance and Wednesday also, so it could still reject here. Nice, nice. Okay. See, like SPY is rejecting that level there, like this level here. And same with the Q. We want to see if the Q can break this level and use it as support. I'm gonna add more because I can see the Q going to at least 362, 361.80. And Nvidia is still having a little trouble there at around 445. So you basically, if you're on Nvidia, you want to see Nvidia breaking this level here. You want to see it break it and use it as support. Let's go with So that's the level of NVIDIA, that line there. Okay, the Q is looking pretty bullish, but the SPY is still having trouble here. I want to see a SPY using this level as support. Okay, do you like that? If I see any like red candle and retest of, let's see, this level here on the Q, I'm thinking on adding more on futures, on my futures play. And the same, if you want to play Nvidia, you can wait to see if Nvidia is gonna like break the literally a break and retest of this line here. And same with SPY. Morning, Donnie. SPY is definitely weaker than the Q, which I don't really like. But I think as long as Apple keeps going higher, the market is gonna go higher. We gotta be careful when Apple goes to 174, which is a little bit close. I think Apple has resistance right here when it is right now, and then it's 174, like the main one. So basically, Apple is at Friday high. That's the resistance that we need Apple to break, and then 174. Like I want to see the Q kind of like consolidating here to add more. But I also need a SPY to consolidate above this green line, which I'm gonna put it red because it's resistance right now. And Netflix, if can use 380 as support, it's gonna feel this wick here. Anybody on Netflix? Who's playing Netflix with me? You nice. Okay, I like how SPY is holding here and the Q also, but I want SPY a little bit higher. because if SPY can hold this level here as support, we could still reject here and go lower. The Q is looking great, but the SPY not so much. That's why I haven't add more here. I want to see a SPY holding this line as support, which is what it's doing right now. Okay, Netflix is above 380. Yeah, from here, if you can hold 380 as support, it's gonna fill the gap. I'm sorry, this week, and I think it could go higher to 386. This is what I was looking for Netflix to do on Friday. Sadly, the market was very weak, but yeah, it's a good swing. Come on, SPY, go a little bit higher. We want to see a SPY holding here. Nvidia is rejecting 445. Well, it's a little bit higher than 445. It's 446.80 around there. If SPY can't hold VWAP and INEMA, I'm gonna get out on my futures play because that will be weakness on the market. And even though the Q is looking very strong with the SPY going lower, that's gonna bring the market lower. Let's see. So far we're doing good. We're doing great. If you play the Q with me here, you must be up. And same with Netflix. Okay, let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. It closes. If it's SPY, okay, I got out. I'm all out. I don't like that weakness on SPY. And I think we have data at 10. So I think it's better to wait for data to come out, and then we'll see what it's gonna be the market trend, at least for this morning before Powell speaking, which is at 11. Okay, so let's wait and see. Hmm. Okay, so Netflix is holding very good. Nvidia is rejecting 445, but it's still holding there. It's holding VWAP and INEMA, and the Q, as long as holding this level here, it's around 359. I'm bullish on the Q, but I don't want to play, even though these are break and retest, I don't want to play it here with SPY being so weak. I want to see a SPY holding this level as support. Apple is holding very good, so I think that's why the Q is holding. Let's see how SPY is gonna do here. 426 here. It's pre-market low, which is the level that the SPY needs to hold if we want to see more upside. 426, 425.50. Okay. See, the SPY just rejected that level here. It's looking very, very ugly. If SPY loses um, this Thursday low, it's gonna go back to 422.50. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait if loses 425. So now I'm gonna put this level here. That's Thursday low. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Thursday low. If SPY loses Thursday low, I'm gonna play the downside to 422.50. We can do two things. Either we enter here to play the downside with a stop loss over like around morning high, but I'll prefer to enter when it loses this green level here and use it as resistance, and then we have like a free like trend to the downside. But here SPY could still hold and then just chop around here because it had a lot of support here from last week. Like was support on Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. So SPY could still like chop around here. And I really like this chart on the Q. Like I kind of want to go high, like I want to enter here to play the upside, but Um, I think it's a little bit risky with SPY being so weak. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and be patient. Be- Um, I'm $185 up on each futures account, so I'm gonna be patient here. And Netflix is doing really good, so I don't need to like overtrade here. It's better to be patient for A plus setup than just enter in here just because it looks good, but the risk to reward is not that good. Watch Nvidia here. Nvidia is flagging right at resistance, so for me that's bullish. I'm not like if I didn't had Netflix, I would be looking to enter Nvidia with a stop loss under 444, like VWAP pretty much. Um, yeah, I do like Nvidia here. Like the risk to reward is very good because if Nvidia goes higher, I can see it going to 460 with a stop loss around on VWAP. So it will be, let's go, where is it? Here. So you enter here, your risk is for your stop loss, it will be kinda around here. Yeah, this support here. Um let's go to 460. Kind of around there. So it's 5.70 risk to reward. That's a very, very good one. But again, I'm not gonna answer because I already have Netflix, but I do like it. Okay, I'm gonna enter here with two micros because I like how the Q is holding and SPY is holding too. Even though it's a little bit risky, but um yeah, it's only two, which is very, very small position. Morning, morning. Let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. This is a little difficult because I love how the Q is looking, but the SPY is looking pretty weak. So this play here, I think it's a little bit risky. That's why I only got two. But let's see. Oh, we have data. We're going up, we're going down. What's gonna be? Okay. Okay, looks like the market like that. Anybody got Nvidia or the Q with me? But SPY is still having trouble here. We need a SPY like closing this 5-minute candle above this morning high. It keeps rejecting that level. Morning, morning. Come on, let's see. Nice, nice. Nvidia is just like the Q. Like I think everything is gonna move if SPY can break this level here. We need SPY breaking this level here. But I don't like that even with data, SPY is still having trouble there. Okay. That's the move that I wanted, but we want to see this 5-minute candle closing above this level here. Netflix looking amazing. Okay, nice. Let's see. We need that 5-minute candle closing above this level here on SPY so everything can move higher. Okay. I'm all out.